Hi guys, this is Ravi Kiran. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do the review of Apache RTR 204V 2021 model with riding modes. We are going to test the full power, the braking test, suspension, each and everything will be addressed in a single video. Do watch the video till the end. If you are new to my channel or watching my videos for the first time, please click subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you will never miss my updates when I upload a video. So without getting late, let's get into the video. This is the all new TVS Apache RTR 204V 2021 BS6 edition, which has riding modes. So this is a gloss black color. There are two colors, the black version and blue. So I have already made a video of features. In that video I have featured blue color variant. So this is the black one. So this video is only for the non-Telugu users. I have made a dedicated review in Telugu as well. So if you want to see that, you can watch that video. So let's start the vehicle. Basically the speedometer includes tachometer, odometer, fuel gauge, time, gear indicator, trip A, trip B, high speed recorder, average speed, and there is one screen here inside the speedometer which shows you average speed and Bluetooth connectivity features. And now current it's in rain mode. So before starting our vehicle, I have to tell, basically this has 200cc engine, which means 197cc, which produces 20.8 PS power, and this power is in sport mode. And if you toggle between the riding modes, if you change the riding mode to rain or urban mode, the power will be decreased to 17 PS. So the exact power figures will be displayed on the screen, so you can see that. So let me start it. So now we are going to check the speed in rain mode, urban mode and sport mode, and also ABS response. So in the rain mode, the RPM is limited to 9000 RPM. And the power is little bit decreased. And it has 5-speed transmission, only 5 gears for this 200cc. And let me slam on the brakes very hard. Wow, ABS is working pretty fine. So the ABS response in rain mode and urban mode is too high when compared with the sport mode. And let me give you a quick idea. In the rain mode, the power will be less, ABS response will be more. So if you switch the riding mode to sport mode, power will be more, ABS response will be less. So this is how it works when you toggle between the riding modes. And now let me change the riding mode to urban. So now it's in urban mode. So both in rain mode and urban mode, you will be getting only 17 PS power. The power is almost same like in the rain mode. There is no much of significant difference. (107, 108). The speed is peaking very slowly. And now let me slam on the brakes. Going to shift the riding mode to sport, which is most aggressive in this bike. Now change it to sports mode, and now let's check its full speed. Wow, in sports mode it can touch almost 11,000 RPM, which is really crazy. Oh, 105 in the third gear. Surprising in the sports mode. In fourth gear, 120. Fifth gear, 121, 122, 123, 124. So 123, 124 is a speed that you can reach. And now let me test the brakes. So in the sport mode, the ABS is a little bit laggy. So in the sport mode, yes, is little bit less responsive. So this is what I have observed. And let me take a U-turn. Wow, I'm actually loving it sports mode. And the suspension given in this vehicle are from Showa. So previously you used to get Showa at the rear, but now the front suspension is also from Showa. Before it used to be KYB, now they have changed it, and they are working pretty fine. So the rear suspension is very soft. It's very comfortable as well. Let me tell you one of the best feature, that is adjustable suspension. Like you can adjust the suspension as per your choice. If you want the suspension to be soft, then you can keep it soft, or if you want to make it hard, then you can also make it hard. And it has adjustable clutch levers, adjustable brake levers, and 3 riding modes: raid mode, urban mode, and sport mode. So as I said, the suspension is very soft at the rear and adjustable on the front, and power wise it's very good. And now let's talk about the mileage. Basically it has 12 liters of fuel tank, which can give you a fuel economy of 35 on an average. So the maximum mileage that you can get on this vehicle is like 40 plus when you ride at an economy speed of 80 kilometers per hour. More common doubt that you get is if you change between the riding modes, will the mileage increases? So yes, if you switch the ride mode to rain mode or urban mode, the mileage will be increased. This is one of our subscribers' bike, so he is getting a fuel mileage of 40 in the sports mode and 50 plus in rain mode. So this is what he claimed, but I can say on an average you can expect a fuel mileage of 35 kilometers per liter. So this is what I can say about the mileage figures. And moreover, this bike has more connectivity features, like this bike has Bluetooth connectivity. It has call answer, call reject system with this I button, and as well as crash detection. So there are actually plenty of options in the smartphone connectivity app where you can toggle between the bike statistics. This is how the RTR 200V performs in the open stretch or highway. So I can say this is one of the comfortable 200cc that you can get in the market, because this bike is having almost all the features: adjustable suspension, adjustable levers, Bluetooth connectivity, 200cc riding modes, and radial tires, dual channel ABS, and whatnot. There are so many features that TVS is offering. So I can say this is one of the budget killer in its category. And the pricing of this bike is 1,61,000 on road Hyderabad. So this is all about the ride review of TVS Apache RTR 200 4V 2021 edition. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, share the video with your friends. If you are new to my channel or watching my videos for the first time, please click the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you will never miss my updates when I upload a video. And you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is Ravikiran Kasuri. So keep following me. This is Ravikiran signing off.